Welcome back to Being Brooklyn. Today we're gonna make cookies. So this is really easy to cook. Bake. You will need 100 grams of butter and 1 egg, and that's all. In order to make the cookies, you'll need a bowl, a whisk, my hands are kind of smelly now.
It's fine. Cut.
There's no scissors.
Smell again.
Smells so nice. Yay. Again. Little bit. There's one. Wait, is this supposed to look like this?
Yeah.
So it was kind of hard to use the whisk, so we decided to use gloves instead. Oh, it sounds... I was finally right about something.
Do you like to cook broccoli?
Yes. I like to cook. Because cooking is fun, but it can cause several burns.
Okay. Where's the other one? There you go, Brooklyn.
Everyone, we're done with the cookies. It smells so good. I am really happy with the result. I hope you guys are here so you can smell the smell of the cookies. That's a wrap. Bye. Nice. So nice. It tastes like chocolate.
Sweet.
It's so sweet. So sweet.
So good.
Bye-bye.